Mr. Beast got over 30 billion views on his YouTube channel. If YouTube paid him $3 per 1,000 views, he made over $90 million just from ad revenue alone. But you see, Mr. Beast is not the biggest YouTube channel in the world. In fact, this completely faceless channel got 8 times more views than Mr. Beast. Some of the biggest channels on this platform are completely faceless, they are ran by anonymous people, and they all focus on this one single niche. For example, this channel makes $2 million a month, while this channel now makes over $5 million a month. And I thought I was smart with my 100k a month channels. But instead of targeting adults like most YouTube automation channels do, these channels are focusing on only targeting kids. But there is one massive problem with this niche. It's extremely easy to get demonetized because YouTube is very strict when it comes to content for children, as they should be. In fact, channels that accidentally go against these rules get demonetized overnight. But there's other ways that these people make millions of dollars a month by making content for kids. You see, in 2019, FTC served a $170 million fine to YouTube for violating children's safety. It claimed that YouTube had illegally collected information on children under the age of 13 for its personalized ads. So YouTube had to change their rules and guidelines to make sure that they don't get fined again. So that's why now it's on us as creators to label our videos as made for kids or not. And videos that are not labeled correctly under the FTC standards could make you pay $42,000 per incorrectly labeled video. So that's why you have to be very careful if you're going to be making content in this niche. Okay, now before we talk about 4 different ways that you can make money with this type of faceless YouTube automation channel, let's talk about how to actually create content for kids. So here's a couple of example channels. This one over here got 68 million subscribers, and they're essentially just posting these simple animations, which are also like songs for kids. And I'm going to show you how to generate these with AI. Here's another channel over here. They're also posting catchy kids type of songs, and they also have about a few million subscribers. They've gotten billions of views on their YouTube channel. So what you can do is you can use a tool like this animagic.app, which allows you to create animations even as a complete beginner who has no skills or experience with animation. For example, I've never ran an animation studio myself, but I can create like a cartoon, 3 minutes, 4 minutes cartoon with this free app. Another thing you can do is just go to steve.ai, and steve.ai allows you to create these animations. And you can also create animations for kids as well. In fact, they also have a complete tutorial on their website which shows you how to create the same kids type of animations like these channels that are getting billions of views a month. So what you want to do is you want to go to ChatGPT and you want to ask ChatGPT to write a kids song, a children's song. And as you can see, it has been generated for me. These are usually copyright-free songs that were generated by AI. If you give it a bigger prompt and you also tell it specific details about this song, whether you wanted to talk about avocados or you wanted to talk about something else, it can be a very specific song made for kids. Then once you have that, you can go to YouTube and you can search for copyright-free kids instrumental songs. And for example, this one over here is very good. It's called Happy Kids. You can just click on it and you can then copy the URL of that song, and then you can download it by going over to Google and searching for YouTube to MP3, and then just open up one of these, just click on any that are now working, and then click on start, and then you can download that song to your computer. It's completely copyright free, so you are actually allowed to use it in your videos. And then you can just pay someone on Fiverr to read that song or to sing that song for you, and you just add the background instrumental music, and then you can create an animation with Steve AI or this app over here, or also just pay someone to create that animation on Fiverr or Upwork. Now, the very first option to make money in this niche is to sell kid-friendly products. You see, this website over here called Art for Kids Hub is actually selling products for kids such as coloring books, but also different merch for kids as well. And you can mostly generate these with Midjourney and Blue Pillow and different free AI tools. You can generate coloring books. There's a lot of tutorials talking on YouTube how to create them, and you can sell them on your channel. Here's another example. This website over here is also selling products for kids that are mostly selling coloring books as well, merch, t-shirts, and other products, and they get millions of visitors every single month. Or you can also create different print-on-demand products with Redbubble. You can just go to redbubble.com and click on sell your art right over here, and then you can upload different designs which you can also generate with AI like Midjourney, and then you can sell different kids and babies products over here. So for example, you even have baby t-shirts that you can sell on your website. Second way you can make money in this niche is to create an affiliate store with Kitco. So you can just go to kit.co and you can create your own store even if you don't own any products. So let's say, for example, this is my children's store. You can just search for different products over here and you can start adding them from Amazon even if you don't own them, and even if you don't actually have an Amazon account, you can still sell these. So just click on this, you add to Kit, or you add these products to your store, and when someone opens up your store, they can buy all of these different products, and each product they buy earns you an affiliate commission through Kitco. So you can just search for anything that you think people would be interested in or that would be interesting to kids, and then you just add all of those different products, and once you're done adding all of those different products, you just click on View Kit, and this is how it's going to look like for me. I currently have 2 different products. I can copy the URL of this store by clicking on these 3 buttons and then copy link to share. Third way that you can make money from a channel like this is to get brand deals and sponsors who would pay to promote different products on your channel. And this is actually one of the easiest ways that you can start making money from your YouTube channel, because some of my channels that literally make $10,000 a month from ad revenue make 3 times more money from brand deals and sponsorships. And here's a list of different companies that you can find that sell kids products or family-friendly companies which sell family-friendly products, and then you can reach out to them, you can email them and ask them if they would like to promote something on your YouTube channel. Or an even easier thing is, if you're inside of the onlinebusinessclub.com, you can go to the Get Sponsors section on the left-hand side. You can submit your channel URL and our team will try to connect you with the companies that are already sponsoring my videos so that they potentially pay for your content as well. And lastly, you can of course make money from your YouTube channel through ad revenue if your channel is approved into the partner program, but just again be very careful, because you can actually get fines if you don't label your videos correctly. So this Google made article lists everything that you need to know about FTC and their rules and guidelines when it comes to making content for kids. And remember that in order to actually be approved into the partner program, your channel needs to meet the monetization requirements, which are 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, and sometimes that can take 12 to 18 months. Or you can also get your channel monetized instantly by going over to dfydave.com/monetization or click the link in the description box down below. That way you don't have to wait, and every single video that you publish will start earning ad revenue.